We're hearing a few soundings coming from some football fans and pundits around the world to the effect that the FIFA World Cup games set for the USA next summer should be relocated after suggestions from the US president that certain cities might be barred from hosting scheduled games. Suggestions that the new immigration policies are also likely to impact fans entering the US was also raised as a reason to leave the hosting to Mexico and Canada. But this is just emotional gaslighting. Now, first of all, it is too late to move the World Cup at this stage. The USA is still the most diverse population and the most powerful economy in the world. The commercial advantages of having the World Cup in the USA remain immeasurable. If the World Cup can be held in Russia, Qatar, Brazil, and South Africa, then why not the USA? Let us just hope and pray that the reggae boys will be there.